Yes, it's graduation day. As the top sky and the celebrations begin, it's almost time for the graduates to move their castles from one side to another and look to the future. Today, I have mixed feelings of delight and sorrow. Delighted because I can see how happy my fellow graduates are. After receiving the endless homework, quizzes, long tests, and exams, we managed to survive without any casualties. And sorrow, because it was never easy to say goodbye to people you care about. Friends, they are the type of family you get to. Your closest friends are your confidants, therapists, sidekicks, and some of your biggest supporters. You were all like sugar and spice, nicely mixed together to form a family bonded by love and peace. And as we step out of our school and begin our another journey, let us not forget that whatever values instilled to us by our alma mater will remain and should go in us wherever we go. Let us go and chase our dreams, but never forget that for once, we became part of each other's life in elementary. And also thank God for the school administrators. At our young age, it is very important that we learn how to abide by the rules and law. There may be times when we tend to forget our IDs, our negligence of our assignments, and projects that led us to lower grades, or in times that we come to school late, and we feel that the imposed guidelines made it even worse for us. But now, I realize that it's actually a good way to prepare us for the life ahead of us. That we, as we get older, we must be a responsible and law-abiding citizens of this country. And for that, on behalf of my fellow graduates, thank you so much. And of course, to the teaching hours of Belleville Academy, our teachers, or we often call them as church. We salute you for all the efforts. You always have a way to instill lessons in our heads that continuously develop us into fine young boys and girls. Our teachers, who from the start had given not only their sweat, but their whole heart to guide us holistically. Thank you for being our non-biological fathers and our good friends too. Your guidance made us feel that even if our parents are not with us, as our second parents will always keep us safe. Again, thank you very much. Now, those who I owe the greatest things of all are my parents, my Mama Rina and Papa Mo. You are only there for me when I
Kaya wake up.
thank you for supporting my mom.
Kami, grade 6 ka pa.
And most of all, thank you for being this world. And lastly, to the world of thank you for all the blessings you have given me. I am blessed, and I thank God for everything that happens to me. My fellow graduates, to enter a new world, just remember the 3 A's. Aspire. Stay focused on your goals or ambitions toward achieving something. Second A is
Papawisan.
And they can choose if we have the courage to pursue them. And the third A is advance. Yes, there's a big chance that you will fail. But there's even a bigger chance that you won't. Believe in yourself, and everything will follow. Again, congratulations and mabuhay to our honorable guest speaker, Mrs. Nancy Giga Alvarado, our school directress, Ms. Erin C. Dementa, school administrators, members of the faculty, our dear parents, fellow graduates, friends,